আসসালামু আলাইকুম। কেমন আছেন সবাই? আশা করি সকলে অনেক ভালো আছেন। আজকে আপনাদের সামনে ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণীর ইংরেজি তৃতীয় সপ্তাহের অ্যাসাইনমেন্টের নমুনা উত্তর নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি। আপনারা এখান থেকে হুবহু খাতায় তুলে নিতে পারবেন। প্রথম প্রশ্নে ছিল লিসন 7-এর হোল্ডিং হ্যান্ডস কবিতার টাইটেল লেখা থেকে 5 সেন্টেন্সের মধ্যে এর উত্তর আপনারা এভাবে লিখতে পারবেন। টাইটেল অফ দ্য পোয়েম: Holding hands. We find a hidden meaning of our life in the guise of the poem. The elephants never fail as stated in the poem, as they are holding hands together as same a nation cannot be defeated if they are united. In this regard, Holding Hands is a perfect title for the poem. Elephants are giant in size, so they are supposed to fall down if they walk along a trail. But they are not falling because they are holding their hands, tails and trunks together. Holding hands in the poem is the power of unity. So from which angle we consider Holding Hands is the most suitable title for the poem. Lesson 8 থেকে যা ছিল তা আপনারা এভাবে লিখতে পারবেন। লেসন 8 ছিল ভিজিটিং এ গ্রোসারি শপ। এই নমুনা উত্তরটি এরকম হবে: ভিজিটিং এ গ্রোসারি শপ। I have visited grocery shop for many times and often I do. I have visited a grocery shop for many times and often I do. But today I will share one of my experience. My father was not at home for a month, so I had to go to a grocery shop for buying our essential necessaries for our family. My younger brother went with me, as I never did such a big duty for my family. My mother made a list for me. When we went to the shop, we could see about all the necessary things that are available in a grocery shop. Some of them are rice, oil, potatoes, onion, garlic, green pepper, carrots, beans, tomatoes, cauliflower, salt, sugar, milk, cucumber, and what are not. The shopkeeper was little busy. That's why we waited for a while. Then the shopkeeper asked us what we needed. I answered we need daily necessaries and we bought a list with us. Seeing the list, he told me to read the list and added that the items are available to him. I started reading the list and he started giving the items one by one. My younger brother caught the bag and put them into it. The shopkeeper gave us 2 extra bags for the bigger items. Some of the items we bought are rice 25 kg taka 1200, soybean 5 liter taka 500, onion 1 kg taka 100, garlic 1 kg taka 150, salt fresh 1 kg taka 20, green pepper 1 kg taka 80, potatoes 2 kg taka 80, egg 20 pieces taka 170, sugar 1 kg taka 80, etc. The total price for all the items was taka 1830. Really, it was a memorable day in my life because I think I did a duty for my family. Thus, I want to stay beside my family all life long. Besides, this shopping gave me a practical lesson. Sometimes I laugh in mind thinking I completed a big task myself.